right, ladies and gentlemen, we are working on order of operations. Just so you know, this is being recorded, so we can put this onto our page. So we've got our order of operations problem for today. It is 17. I got a test page, Mr. Tucker. 17 minus 4 squared minus 3 times 2 times 3. Order of operations, PEMDAS. We're talking about going every single step by showing our work. What is the first thing you're going to do on this problem, Mr. Kelly? 3 times 2. Okay, so why 3 times 2? And according to order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, that would be the first thing you do. So what is 3 times 2? My advice, thank you, Mr. Kelly, 6. My advice is to whatever you're doing first, write the answer, then fill in everything else. So what do I still have to do? Multiply by 3. I also still have to do 17. I have to subtract 4 squared, and I'm subtracting 6, right? You see how I did that? Please do it that way. It's going to be so much better for you. How many of you already have it wrong? How many of you have that first step wrong? Okay, a couple of you are not good, but a few of you already have the first step wrong. I'm telling you, if you follow the order of operations, you follow our steps, you're more likely to get it right. That's why we're doing this. You're going to practice and get better. What's next? Are there any parentheses left? No. So what's next, Mr. William? There's no parentheses. What's that? The exponent. So what is the answer to the exponent 4 squared? When you have 4 to the power of 2, what does that mean we're doing? I asked that question, you didn't raise your hand and say I need help with it. So chances are there's a lot more people. That's what I'm talking about. If you don't know what an exponent does, you should say, Mr. Binder, you need to clarify exponents here. I can't help you if you don't know. Or I can help you if you don't know. I can't help you if you don't tell me. You all said you know what an exponent was. Now some of you don't. That can't happen in here. Ben. 16, why? So what this means, what 4 to the power of 2 means, is we're going to take that number 4 and we're going to multiply by itself twice. 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is what, William? 16. So I'm going to write 16 here, and then I'm going to fill in the rest of the problem that I haven't done. I have not done 17 minus. I have not done minus 6, and I have not done minus times 3. Right? Now what am I going to do? Now I've got 17 minus 16 minus 6 times 3. William? Multiplication, because there's no parentheses.
Another one?
Another one came, yep.
Thank you.
Yep. There's no parentheses, there's no exponents. Is there multiplication? Okay, wait, if there's multiplication, do we need to check for division? Because they love each other, right? So is there any division?
No.
So we're good, we just do the multiplication, right? So William, what is 6 times 3?
18.
So write 18, fill in the rest of the problem. 17 minus 16 minus 18. This is so much fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is next? By the way, this problem is worth, so far, I would give you a point for that step. I would give you another point for this step. We're up to 2 points. I would give you another point for that step. We're up to 3 points already. What do I do next? Katie? Why? So we have 2 subtraction problems in here. Because we have 2 subtraction problems, we know obviously subtraction loves itself, right? So then you go left or right. So the first subtraction problem is 17 minus 16, which gives us what? 1. So we got 1, and we fill in the rest of the problem. Minus, are you doing this? Minus 18. By the way, that's the 4th point on this problem. Everybody, what is 1 minus 18? Negative 17. That is the 5th point of this problem. You box it because you have to. That is the 5th point of the problem, like I just said. That's a 5-point problem. The answer is negative 17. Any questions? Excuse me. Any questions? How many people got it right on their first try?